It's a beautiful Saturday morning. The temperature is amazing right now. It's like 40 degrees. So it's perfect for a day trip out of London. We are going to Margate in Kent to check out the coastal town that I've always wanted to go. There was a rail sail in the UK just last week and just grabbed some really nice deal. I think it was like £11 round trip, which is amazing. So I thought it was a great opportunity to go check out the city. We are at the London Bridge station, which is also a rail station where we'll take the train to Margate using the Southeastern line. I've learned that the sausage rolls at Greg's is British favorite, so we're in the line to get a sausage roll and see what that's like. Just got on the train. We are on our way to Margate. We chose this destination because there is a show that we want to go see at the Turner Contemporary, as well as just to kind of check out the town. We were in Rye last time for my birthday, which was really special. We've been to other parts of the UK and but never on the east side of England, so that'll be great to kind of check that out. So we're about 2 stops away from our destination, and you can tell that we're already on the coast because there are lichen on the roofs that are like bright orange that you see on houses that are on the coastal towns because it's so damp and wet here compared to London. Another kind of beauty that's added, the color that's added to the coastal towns. Alright, we've arrived. Margate. The weather is fantastic here, and yeah, what a perfect day to be doing a little outing. Walking around Margate, and it's so nice to be around the ocean. It's very nice to hear the waves and hear the seagulls as well. The weather is so beautiful. Right now, on our way to the vintage shops and see what we can get there. So just walking around town, it's definitely charming. It's got its seaside charm, eclectic vibes. It's only gonna get more lively from here on out. It's only around noon, so especially in weather like this, I expect people to come out, sit in the patio. Doesn't matter how cold it is. Drink beer, tea, coffee, and just enjoy this weather. Alright, so we're on our way to lunch at Sargasso. It's a sister restaurant to Braun, which is on the Columbia Flower Market Road. So the restaurant is at this kind of pier area where there are a bunch of restaurants, and I can see in the summer it could be very, very nice with sitting outdoors and just kind of really nice vibe. All right, here we go. Margate. Top notch. Love the vibe. Felt like I was in California. This convinced me to go check out Braun in London. So great experience here. Highly recommend it. And we're off to Turner Contemporary, just behind me. Piece from this exhibition. They are apples that are threaded with hop twine and hung vertically from the top of the gallery to the bottom through gravity, and they've kind of decayed over time over the exhibition. So today is the second day from the last day. So as you can see, they decomposed as much as they could, and they rotted away. So they're full of fruit flies, and you can smell in the air apple cider vinegar actually. All right, that was an amazing exhibition. I highly recommend it. Love everything that I saw from the artist Anya, Gallacio. Again, Turner Contemporary in Margate is worth coming for just for yourself when the exhibition is this good. There's definitely that kind of creative vibe here in Margate. I can't wait to explore the rest of what the town has to offer. Things do close quite early here, so we're gonna get a move on. So come with me as I show you the rest of the town. beautiful sunsets. Haven't been able to see this for quite some time now. Oh, look at this. See you later, Margate. All right, we're back here at the Margate train station. So that was a lot of fun. We waited for some fish and chips at a chippy shop for about 30 minutes, but it was all worth it because it was quite excellent. Really great potatoes and fish as well. Definitely recommend doing that, especially when the weather's nice. We took it to a craft brewery, just maybe like 3-minute walk from the shop, so that was really convenient. Lots of good selection from the brews and nice to wash down all the fish and chips. So we're heading back to London now, and the train should be here in any minute now. So I hope you enjoyed the Margate episode, and I'll see you on the next episode. All right, bye.